Champion Ultrasonic Lace Machine Manufacturer. Welcome, contact us jp@jsji.com. WhatsApp +861876193338. Handcrafters, designers, and factory owners. One stunning, durable lace for your products. Meet the Champion Ultrasonic Lace Machine, your go-to for easy, reliable embellishment. It works with non-woven fabrics, satin, wool. Perfect for clothing, lingerie, home textiles, and party decor. Turns plain materials into eye-catching pieces fast. Ultrasonic technology is its core. No threads, no glue, no messy stitches. Cuts and seals lace edges in one step. Edges are smooth, fade-proof, and long-lasting. No unraveling ever. It offers versatile lace patterns. Floral, wavy, geometric standard mold for custom designs. Mold replacement is quick and simple. Switch styles in minutes for different projects. Fully automatic operation, no PLC needed. One person can run it effortlessly. Manual dials adjust speed, pressure, and pattern length. Intuitive controls, no complex training required. Production speed ranges from 10 to 20 meters per minute. Steady output.